Hi everyone, my name is Zaldi Estimada and I choose the topic which is the key benefit of effective operations management. So, effective operation management also helps with employee engagement and defines the roles and responsibilities within organization faces. A strategic operation management plan in place will ensure that employees' workflow and company production remain unaffected. So, benefits of operation management. So, there are product quality and service quality. So, how do we ensure that your product or a service is the best quality? So, having a checklist that meets the objectives and goals of the company as well as meeting the customer's needs. The operation manager will have a set list of processes and a checklist to determine that everything is in order during the pre-production process. So, this includes making sure that everyone is aware of what the product or service needs and informing everyone of the product or service objectives. So, once the final product has been created, the operation manager will assess ensure it meets the organization goals and that the customer needs are met. So, thereafter, the operation manager will review the pre-production process to ensure efficiency for the next creation. Next is the productivity. Productivity is defined as a total output per one unit of the total input. In control management, productivity is a measure of how efficiently a process runs and how effectively it uses resources. So, output is simply the rate of which goods are being produced and readily for sale. Next is productivity. Productivity is defined as one total output per one unit of a total input. So, in control management, productivity is a measure of how efficiently a process runs and how effectively it uses resources. Output is simply the rate of which goods are being produced and readily for sale. Next is customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction, customer review can make or break a business. If a negative word spreads, it could be a challenge to retain clients. This is why it's important to ensure that your customers' needs are at the forefront of your product or services. The operation manager will conduct a quality management process. A methodology uses to create products or services that will meet the customer's needs. If the organization is a service provider, the customer is the lifeblood. The operation manager will have processes in place to make sure that the service quality is the best. A returning customer means more for the bottom line. That there are elements used to help gain a satisfactory customer includes the quality management. So, quality management to ensure the organization maintains a consistent and a good service. Next is the employee capacity. Making sure the right people are in the right roles, which help produce a good product or service. So the third is planning to make it sure that there is no lapse in production and that good services are one time. So last is enough inventory to make up with customers' demand. So with these four elements in mind, the operation manager can meet customers' needs. And for last is reducing operating cost. So while reducing any particular operating cost will usually increase short-term profits. So it can also hurt the company's earnings in the long term. So for example, if a company cuts its advertising cost, its short term, the profit will likely improve, and as it is spending less money on operating cost.